Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me, as an example, I will use just the plain old home screen. Now, you can open up any kind of other app and just have it open. So if I wanted to, for instance, capture a phone or some kind of number, like for some reason, all I need to do is have it open and then press the combination of keys. So just go back to where I was gonna capture, so home screen. So all I need to do is hold power key and volume down, both keys at the same time. You'll see this kind of animation that screen shrinks a little bit, and that's basically it. Now you can find the screenshot in your gallery. So let's tap on gallery, and there it is. Just allow today, so you can tap on it, and you can see that this is the screenshot that we have captured. So it just takes a little bit of moment for it to be actually sharper. So let's go back. You can also find it in album right here. It will create a new album called screenshots. So if you capture more screenshot and you have a mess of photos on the device, it will be easier to find it through the album itself called screenshot, where all of them will be stored. But yeah, so that is how you would capture the screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.